Are you thinking about relocating to Las Vegas, Summerlin, or Henderson? Looking for a realtor above the rest? Hi, I'm Michael Bondi with Urban Realty here in Summerlin. For 20 years now, I have helped thousands of people buy, sell, or relocate to the Las Vegas Valley. As a certified FAA drone pilot, my YouTube channel is different than most Las Vegas realtors. My goal is to show you the Las Vegas Valley from the air using a high-tech 4K drone. Let's explore this beautiful valley together like no one else can, from the air. My goal with my YouTube channel is to show you brand new home communities, major construction projects, and news related to real estate, as well as videos that can help you relocate to the Las Vegas Valley. I have helped thousands of people over the years relocate from different states and from all over the world. If you're an active duty military member, I can help you with your PCS move. Using current technology, I can make it feel like you are here with me buying a new home here in the Las Vegas Valley. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos all the time. If you're looking for stunning 4K content of the Las Vegas Valley, current information about the Las Vegas real estate market with a different view, this is the channel you have been searching for. Come fly with me over the Las Vegas Valley.